The laser transfer market is growing. Today we want to talk to you about nurturing that growth and a product that we believe will help define a new segment. The garment transfer market has matured. And because of online communities like the Facebook White Toner Success Group, users are expanding their abilities and market horizons, and hard surface decoration is the new frontier. Due to the varied nature of hard surface decoration, users need a versatile product that's going to cover many different types of applications. They're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use transfer media for the large range of application opportunities. Enter Versa Sheen, a one-paper-fits-many-solutions product. Versa Sheen is easy to print, goes right through the laser printers with a variety of media type settings, and exits cleanly. No more pulling your print out of the printer. Versa Sheen is easy to apply, and it works at low temperatures, making it suitable for a wide range of substrates, such as wood, and it virtually peels itself. Unlike other hard surface media, Versa Sheen leaves a nice, professional-looking glossy finish, which is what most hard surface projects are looking for, with no need to repress. With Versa Sheen, you can peel it hot or cold. Depending on your workflow, you can peel immediately, or you can set it aside for later. Versa Sheen has no need for soaking in water. Most current hard surface media need to be soaked in order to activate the release coating, but this is no longer needed. Versa Sheen is super easy to peel, so there's no tearing. Say goodbye to those bad peels, jagged edges, or torn media. This one almost falls off. The goal, as always, is to reduce user frustration. No more extra finishing sheets or repressing. This is the jack of all papers. It's flexible, and we believe with further tests, we'll discover even more applications. AW Specialty Papers is preparing to bring this product to market. We're reaching out to our dealer partners right now, and we're giving you advance notice so you can prepare for marketing and give us estimates for stocking. We are excited about this product, and we want to talk to you about how you can be involved, so give us a call. But while you're dialing, it wouldn't be an AW video without the tests. Click here to see our proof video and how Versa Sheen stands up to pressure.